Okay, people. So we're taking a walk, right? We're in Buchanan Park, and I don't know if you see this or not. This all heck far. This, the 1, 2, 3, the third duck to the left. Dang. Okay, Goose is in front of it right now.
This is just kind of going.
Uh-oh, like real reporters do. Okay. This is a crossbreed. It's a turkey goose. Check it out, y'all. Look at it. Doing a gooseneck thing. It's weird, you guys. It's weird. It's different. It has goose feet, a goose body, but it has like a rooster tail and like a rooster head. And it's doing its neck like a rooster, not like a... I can't. This phone is bootsy. Okay. We're moving in on it, right? And of course it's running away, but it can't peck a fast. Look at it, look. Look at it. It's weird, right? It's weird. It's kooky. Intense, right, you guys?